Jeyam Joy P. Cavinta from batch 188, and I'm going to perform today the milk formula bottle feeding of an infant and burping an infant. So before we start, I'll show you first the materials needed. So first, the bottle of the baby. Next, the milk of the baby. Also, clean water for the baby. Next is a towel and also the baby. So first thing we do is we're going to make a milk for the baby for the feeding. So I'll show you. We're making a baby. Making a baby milk first, we must put on water in the bottle. So I only put on the 6th level of water. So here the milk. And a scoop. So the scoop is big. If it's small, if the level of water is 6, also put 6 scoop. But I have a big scoop for milk, so I just put 3 scoop in level 6 of water. You can now shake it well. The milk is ready. We'll now proceed on the baby feeding. So make sure that if you're feeding a baby, you can hold or carry the baby in your arm like this and feed her. Can see. So how would you know if the baby is full? So sometimes the baby you will know if the baby is full if he passes her hands or fingers. If a baby is hungry, if the baby is full, pass or open your they will open their fingers. So we'll continue on feeding the baby. So we also have other way on how to feed a baby. You can put the baby down. You can feed and then tuck the leg. So now the baby is fussy, so you can apply. It's now spitting up the milk. So you can do the burping. So on burping a baby, we have 2 ways. It is you first is standing up. Carry the baby like this. Hold the baby at the back. Put on your shoulder like this. So Tap, hold the baby. Tap, tap, tap at the back. So after tapping, you can also rub the baby's back. And then continue on tapping. So I put the towel on my shoulder. So that if the baby is hit, to avoid mess in the shirt of the mother. And then rub, rub, rub. Tap again. So the other one is, you can put on the baby first. Sitting down. With the towel, carry the baby. In this position, hold the baby here. And then tap the back. And then also, you can scrub, rub, rub, rub. And then again, tap. After burping, you can continue on feeding the baby if he's giving a sign that she or he is still hungry. So for my baby, for my dummy, we are now done in milk formula, feeding the baby and burping the baby. So I hope you learned a lot, and I hope it helped you by doing the easy way on burping and feeding the baby, especially on how to do the milk of a baby. So thank you and have a nice day.